Hello students, welcome back to my channel Vishi's Academy. In this video, we shall discuss a story, The Riverbank Resident. Please watch the video till the end and kindly subscribe the channel to get the latest updates of my upcoming videos. So let's start a story. The Riverbank Resident is a story written in 1908 by Kenneth Graham. The central characters of the story are shy little mole and a rat. Spring was moving in the air above. The mole wanted to see what was happening above. So he scratched with his little paws to remove the mud. His nose came out into the sunlight. He pursued his way across the meadow. Suddenly, he stood by the edge of a river. As he sat on the grass and looked across the river, he saw a dark hole in the bank opposite, just above the water's edge. As he looked steadily, something bright and small winged at him. It was the water rat. Water rat said, "Hello, mole. क्या तुम मेरे पास आना चाहोगे?" The water rat lightly stepped into a little boat just the size for two animals. The water rat said, "एक पैर रखो और बैठ जाओ." And the mole, to his surprise, found himself actually seated in a real boat. क्या तुम जानते हो, इससे पहले मैं कभी बोट में नहीं बैठा अपनी लाइफ में? The mole said. Then the rat said, "ओह ऐसा क्या? तो फिर रुको जरा एक मिनट." And after saying this, the rat went back to his hole and after a short interval reappeared with a luncheon basket. Then the rat said, "There's a cold chicken inside it."
A cold chicken, cold tongue. A cold chicken, cold tongue, cold ham, cold beef, pickled gherkin salad, French rolls, cress sandwiches, potted meat, ginger beer, lemonade, soda water.
Stop too much.
Both of them had a great time. The afternoon sun was getting low as the rat sculled gently homeward in a dreamy mood after having a good picnic. But the mole was very full of lunch and already quite at home in a boat and was getting a bit restless. He wanted to row the boat as well. He jumped up and seized the sculls so suddenly that the rat fell backwards off his seat with his leg in the air. The mole flung his sculls back with a flourish and made a great dig at the water. He missed the surface altogether. His legs flew up above his head and he found himself lying on the top of the rat. बोट को नदी के किनारे तक लाता है और finally he dived successfully for the luncheon basket. After all this, he said to Mole, "Don't you think any more about it? Look here, I really think you had better come and stay with me for a little while." The mole was so touched कि वो कुछ नहीं बोल पाता है. He had to brush away a tear or two with the back of his paw. When they got home, the rat made a bright fire in a sitting room, planted the mole in an armchair in front of it, having fetched down a dressing gown and slippers for him, and told him river stories till supper time. Supper was a most cheerful meal, but soon afterwards, a terribly sleepy mole had to be escorted upstairs by his host to the best bedroom, where he soon laid his head on his pillow in great peace. So students, I hope you got the story, and if you like the story, press the like button. Thank you. Take care.